Do you want to try hockey? Well, we've got the perfect opportunity for you. The 8th Annual Hockey Nova Scotia Female Festival hits the ice at Cole Harbour Place on April 10th. Come join 400 girls from across the province for an awesome weekend of female hockey development and awareness. The Female Festival is a year-end celebration of the sport for all female players, whether they are registered in the game or not. It's a weekend of fun and excitement that will help instill a love of the game in all participants. The festival is open to players at the IP, Novice, Atom, Pee-wee, and Bantam levels. Registered players will be placed on teams and will have an opportunity to play in games throughout the weekend, as well as participate in a development hour. During the weekend, the girls will also be helped out by players from the Nova Scotia Female Midget AAA Hockey League, the top female league in the province. To register for the 8th Annual Female Festival, please visit the Hockey Nova Scotia website. The 8th Annual Female Festival, celebrate the game this April.